Okay. So definition, what exactly is a data structure? You can call this as an optimizer way, right? Okay. Now, see, it is a not a method, it's a not a way, it is a optimizer method or it is a optimizer way. Okay. It is a not a method of a optimizer, okay? But it is a optimizer way. It is a optimizer way. See, definition of data structure. Okay. And an optimizer way of storing, managing, arranging, and okay, it is a yeah, okay, an optimizer way of storing, managing, arranging, and organizing. Organizing. Spelling क्या होती है organizing की? ORGANIZing, right? Organizing the data, right? This is the definition. Guys, please say yes or no. Okay. So it is a not a way, it is a optimizer way. Okay. If you anyone say it is a optimizer method, this is a not a optimizer method. This is the only optimizer way. What optimizer way? Okay. Just okay. Okay. Uh, can you understand? Or do you know about the increment or decrement? How to increment or decrement? से बताएगा कोई इंक्रीमेंट और डिक्रीमेंट पढ़ा है किसी ने? लाइक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर जब आपको पढ़ा रहे थे तो उन्होंने ऑपरेटर में पढ़ाया होगा. ओके, सो कैन यू गाइस प्लीज टेल मी इफ आई ओके ए इज इक्वल टू, तो आपने वेरिएबल ही पढ़ा होगा राइट? ए प्लस वन. ओके, तो अगर हमको लाइट वेट करना है, इफ वी गिव अ now we put a is equal to 1, okay, and a is equal to a plus 1. A is equal to a plus 1. So what is the output of a after the increment? 2. Okay. If we are write a code like a is a plus is equal to 1, okay, a plus is equal to 1. Can you guys tell me what is this? Do you know the mean of a plus is equal to 1? Anyone? Tell me. Is similar to that. Okay. Okay, so I am coupling this, right? I am coupling, when I am coupling this, okay, I was telling you the difference between those two. This is the optimizer way to do. This is the optimizer way. This is the optimizer way. Okay. This is the optimizer way and this is the basic. Right? Yes or no? Okay. So we are going to perform the sum task. When we say optimize, that means the performance will be better. Which one? A plus is equal to 1. This performance is better. Okay. The logic that has been written is more accurate. Now this is data structure very similar than, okay, this is a very similar to data structure. This is a way of where you how you store your data and how you manage the data, okay, and how you order and organize the data. Okay, give me a 1 second. Incoming voice call from Papaji on Sitio. हाँ बाप, भेज रहा क्लास ले रहा हूँ, भेजता हूँ. ठीक है. क्या नहीं समझ आया रहा इसमें? रजा इसमें क्या नहीं समझ आया? यार मम्मी थोड़ा धीरे बोला करो, यहाँ तक आवाज आ रही है. थोड़ा आराम से बात करो. रहेगी वहां पे। हेलो, अरे उसकी वेबसाइट नहीं चल रही है अभी सुबह से। डाउनलोड क्या करना होता है, तुरंत देख लेता हूँ उसमें डाउनलोड कीजिए। वेबसाइट नहीं चल रही, कुछ लोगों का रिजल्ट अपडेट नहीं हुआ है ना, इस वजह से बिजी जा रही है। खुलेगी तो भेज देंगे। हाँ रजा बताओ, क्या नहीं समझ आया इसमें आपको? वेट, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने ऑप्टिमाइजिंग नहीं किया है, यहाँ पे ओनली मैं एक चीज़ बता रहा हूँ। एग्जांपल ले लो कि अगर आप ए और ए इज इक्वल टू, जैसे ये हमारा ठीक है, ए इक्वल टू ए प्लस वन, ये हमारा क्या है कि पुराने समय से चला आ रहा है, राइट? ओके, बट इसकी वैल्यू हमारी टू आएगी। अगर ए की इक्वल टू वन दिया है, तो जब हम ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे देन वी हैव अ वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट इज टू। ओके ओके, नाउ इफ यू सी दिस ए प्लस इज इक्वल टू वन, दिस इज द एडवांस मेथड। ओके, जैसे कि आप अभी पढ़ रहे हो, ठीक है, अभी आप ये चीज़ पढ़ रहे हो, ठीक है, हो सकता है आने वाले समय में इसका कोई और मेथड आ जाए। ओके, तो वो और भी हमारा ऑप्टिमाइजल हो जाएगा। ठीक है, मीन्स पुरानी चीज़ को अगर हम न्यू चीज़ में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है, वहाँ पे ऑप्टिमाइजल हो जाता है, राइट? ठीक है, अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ, डिफिनेशन बताऊंगा तो भी और अच्छे से समझ आएगा। ओके, सो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, वी आर टॉक अबाउट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर। ठीक है, ओके, like you know what is the data structure, as Rubina said, as Nazmin said. Okay, guys, can you give me a one answer? Now in an interview, people will going to ask you that why you say that it is storing of data, why you say that it is storing of data, some way of storing data. They are going to tell you that. Okay, if I say, see, if I say var is equal to 98, okay, over here as well I am storing the data, yes or no? Okay, I'm storing, but now I am not using any data structure, right? I am storing data, but now I am not using any data structure. So tell me what exactly is the difference, yes or no? Okay, over here as well form, like storing data, yes or no? Okay, let's see. Now people are going to say over here I am not using any data structure. I am not using any data structure. This is a simple variable. This is a simple variable. I am using assignment operator. I am using assignment operator. Okay, I am using assignment operator and a value that has been assigned to this variable. Okay, a value that has been assigned to this variable. I am not using any data structure, but still I can easily do my task, right? Okay, without using a data structure, I am storing the data and I can easily do my task. Then why are you telling that it is a way of storing data? Because we are already doing that, right? Okay, we are already doing that, right? If I want to change the data, I have to organize it. I can do without a data structure as well. Okay, I can do without data structure as well. So why I do, yeah, why I do need data structure and why do I do need data structure, so and so forth. Because everything that has been written over here, everything that has been written over here is based on the two perspective. One is your memory management and another is your performance. See, two perspective. First perspective is a memory management. Memory management. Okay, and the second one is performance. Your performance. One is your memory management and another is your performance. Okay, so you can store the data, you can manage the data, you can data arrange, you can data organize data, okay, without data structure as well. But when we talk about data, such as it is an optimizable way to do all these things in order to achieve the performance. For the performance, the memory management, let me give you a simple example. Okay, okay. Before giving an example, can you guys explain me why we need a data structure? Because we already do our task without using data structure. Anyone? कोई बता सकता है कैसे, क्यों हम लोग को नीड पड़ी है डेटा स्ट्रक्चर की? बिकॉज हम लोग ने डेटा तो पहले से स्टोर रखा है, राइट? बट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर की क्यों यूज कर रही है? से एनीवन, कम ऑन. Okay, another one. Anyone else? Yes or no? Okay. Let me give you a simple example to understood they are right. Okay. So what happened is this is a my room. This is a my room. Okay. This is a my room. Let's see. Suppose this is a my. Okay. In my room over here, this is a my bed. In my room over here, this is a my bed. This is a my bed. Okay. Then let's say over here I am having my study table. I have having my study table, so and so forth. So what happened? The next move, what happened is I went to a bookshop. I went to a bookshop. Okay? I went to a bookshop and I bought, let's see, 100 books. How many? Sorry, 1,000 books. 1,000 books. Okay? I bought 1,000 books. I have purchased 1,000 books, right? And now I am a messy kind of person. Which kind of person? Which kind of person? शायद मैं आप लोग से पूछ रहा हूँ, अपने पड़ोसी से नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. Nazmin, do you know the meaning of messy? Okay. Anyone else? और कोई बताएगा मुझे? रजा, प्रथम, रुबीना. ठीक, आप लोग क्लास में प्रेजेंट हो? रुबीना, आपको मेसी का मीन्स नहीं पता है? हाँ, अच्छा, यही मैं पूछ रहा था. ठीक है. Like I have purchased 1,000 books, right? And now I am a messy kind of person. I am a messy kind of person, very messy kind of person. Okay. So what I have done is I went to my room. What I have done when I went to my room, I have thrown all my books all over my place. Some books are lying there. Some books are lying there. Some books are lying there. Some might be there, and so on, so forth. So on, so forth. Okay. Now what happened is when I enter my room, if all the 100 books are being, misplaced, misplaced and has been kept, some might be kept, okay? Some might be kept, some might be kept, okay? On the top of this, okay? Some might be kept on the top of the bed, under the bed, okay? And the top of the table, under the table, so on, so forth. So will my room gonna look good or bad? If I am going to enter, okay? Yeah, if someone else is going to enter in my room, will going to look good or bad? Right. Now, what happened is when my room will if all the 1,000 books are being, misplaced, right? Misplaced and has been kept, some might be top of the table and some might be under the table. Okay, so and so forth. So will my room gonna look good or bad? If I am going to enter, if someone is going to enter, okay, will going to look good or bad? Tell me. Right. Now another case. Let's suppose in this 1,000 books want to read a book of name as a treasure hunt. Treasure treasure hunt. Okay. Let's see. Suppose there is a book called Treasure Hunt. I want to look for the book, the 1,000 books, and I want to read Treasure Hunt. So now tell me, since all my books are lying everywhere, so will it be easy for me to search? Will it be easy for me to search for this book or difficult? It will be very difficult for me, right? Because I don't know where exactly book is this. So what I have to? Anyone explain? Okay, this is a difficult matter, right? Now, so I have to look for this book as well as I have to look for this book. Okay? If you want to search, then I have look to this book. Oh, sorry. Okay? This book. Wait. Okay? This book. as well as have to look for this book, okay, as well as this book, right? Okay, as well as have to look for these books as well. This book has in this space in my consuming time, right? This space consuming my time. First of all, my energy is consuming. Yes or no? It is consuming my time. It is consuming my energy. Yes or no? Okay. These two are consuming. Okay. In the third scenario, let's see. Suppose after some other days, yeah, another days, I went to a bookshop. Okay. After some other days, I go to a bookshop. Yeah, I went to a bookshop and I found out there are another 1,000 books. There are another 1,000 books that I really like. Okay. Now it will be very difficult for me to bring all these now. Okay. 1,000 books to my room because, okay, my room because they are already missing. Okay. Because they are already missing. There are already 100 books lying under there. If I am going to go and take these extra books and place on my room, okay, in my room, it will going to first consume a lot of space, right? Yes or no? It will going to first consume a lot of space, as well as because I don't know how that much space currently. Okay, I don't know how that much space currently. Secondly, it will be very difficult for the search part as well, right? Same as the first part. Okay, it will be very difficult for the search part as well. If I want to search particular book, it will be very difficult, and I don't have actually a space where I can put this. Okay, so what I have done is, okay, I went to a hardware shop. I went to a hardware shop and I have purchased, let's suppose I have purchased a book slab. Book slab. Okay. I have purchased a book slab. Over here, book slab. This is my book slab. Okay. My book slab look like this. I have consumed in my interview. Take entire room. I have consumed in my entire room. Day two cleaned my entire room and put all my books in the order. Okay. First order, second order, third order. Okay. Put my books in the order. All the books starting from has been ordered. All the books that be written by specific. Okay. Now, if I ask you, I want to, so I have a brought this 100 book as well, put in a shelf. Okay. Okay. Another book has put in the shelf. Okay. I organizing it well now. If I say I want to find out the book treasure hunt now, will it be easier for me to find it out as composed to the first one, or will it be difficult for me? Easy. It will be easy for me. Anyone else? It is easy. Okay? It is easy because I have organized my books in such a way, right, that I can find all my books at one place. So do that. This is the same case where we use the data structure. Okay. This is the same case where we use the data structure in the first case as when we were organize the data. ठीक है. In first case, पहला केस में हम लोगों ने क्या किया? In first case, we organize the data. We organize the data. ठीक है. Like we organize the data. Data we have stored and data we have managed and data we have arranging. Right. We were doing everything in this task. Yes or no? Okay. Suppose I went to school library, ठीक है? And the next example, suppose I went to a school library or a college library, ठीक है? Library. You would, after you are going to find the have a bookshelf, right? And in those bookshelf, either they will going to have the name initial that we are going to start from A. If you go to school, if you go to college, they will going to have books regarding the subject like chemistry, math, bio, and so on, so forth. Yes or no? ठीक है? In this case, very easy for us. We find easily all the books, right? So everyone understood why data structure we need.